Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my video resume. My name is India Aushanabi Pipa. I am from Goura. I am excited to introduce myself to you. My academic foundation began at TMSS Public School and College where I achieved a perfect GPA 5 out of 5 SSC exam. I continue my success at Armed Police Battalion Public School and College GPA 5 out of 5 in my SSC exam. Pursuing my bachelor degree in computer science and engineering at Dapurin International University, being active member of the CPC club. I have honed my technical and collaborative skill. I am passionate about sports, winning multiple awards in badminton and cycling. As a retailer, I am proudly secured first place in Harvard poem reaction competition. My ultimate dream is being an ethical hacker inspiring by the Bangladesh Bank hack. Beneath this, I am enjoying playing cricket and football, gardening and exploring the latest technology trend. I want to secure digital systems, cyber and create a super online world security. During my time at Dogra and Police Battalion Public School and College, I developed a strong team and communication skill. I am proficient in programming languages like C, C++, Java, etc. With my determination, skill, and passion for technology, I am ready to take any challenge. Thank you for watching my video resume. I hope this gives you a clear idea of background, skill, and goals. I am excited to connect, explore opportunity where we can achieve great things together.